Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today I'm going to teach you that how to upload a video on your YouTube channel. It's very easy. So let's take a start. Can you see over here? Here is your account, and here's your account icon. Okay, on the top right corner, can you see this plus sign? Just click on this plus sign, and here we are having three options: upload video, go live, create post. So I'm going to click on upload video. Just click on that, and after that you will get the interface just like that. Now what he's saying is saying drag and drop video files to upload. Your video will be private until you publish them. Okay, fine. So let's download video. Now I'm going to pick which video. This one. Here's my video file mp4. Click, hold, drag. Okay, just pick this video, drag and drop over here. Plus copies and shows that you are going to drop your video over here. Just drop it. It's running. Yes. Now here you have to give the detail about your title. Okay, for how to use PowerPoint presentation. So let me give here, let me write here format painter. Okay, this one. Okay, PowerPoint presentation. Now here I'm going to give captions over here. Hashtag format painter. Okay, then hashtag how to use PowerPoint, how to use format painter in PowerPoint. Painter in PowerPoint presentation. Okay, enter. You can give descriptions over here. Okay, the next thing is your important thing is what? The thumbnail. So video is uploading over here, uploading 64%. Okay, let me pick a thumbnail. Just click on it. I have already created one thumbnail over here. It will appear at the start of your video. So here is the thumbnail. Just click on open, and your thumbnail preview will appear over here. Okay, now after that you need to select a category. I'm going to use the basic IT skills, and where's the PowerPoint presentation here. Okay, in format painter is also the part of Microsoft Word, so I'm copying this in these three categories. Okay, done. Okay, now yes, it's made for kid. If you click here, yes, it's made for kid, then your comments will disappear. You will not let anybody to comment on your videos. I've selected no, it's not made for kids, so that everybody can comment on your video. Now after that there are more options over here. Select down. Okay, now here you have to add tags over here. For example, I'm going to write here format painter. Okay, format painter, how to use format painter, how to use format painter in PowerPoint presentation. Okay, you can add more tags over here. Here enter. Okay, how to use format painter in PowerPoint, sorry, in MS Word. Okay, format painter in Word. Okay, format painter in, let's say, PowerPoint. Okay, how to use format painter. Okay, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. Okay, these are the tags. Okay, now after that you have to select the language. I'm going to select here United Kingdom. Just click here. Now recording date and location. Okay, I'm going to mention recording date. I've recorded this video today. Okay, and then allow embedding. Okay, on check. Now select the category. I'm going to use this for science and technology. Okay, now click on next. Now turn on the monetization on this video. Just click on that. Done. Okay, move forward. These are the ads details. Click on next. Okay, now scroll down, add suitability, scroll down, inappropriate content, no, bring at the bottom, none of the above, because I haven't used any inappropriate words, controversial issues, sensitive events I haven't discussed, for example I haven't discussed such kind of things. So submit your rating over here. Done. Okay, now check completes, no issue found. Click on next. Next. Copyright, no copyright issue found. Add suitability is fine. Okay, now click on next. Okay, now I want to publish this, make this video public. Click on publish. Now you have uploaded, you have learned how to upload and how to publish your video. Okay, thank you very much. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.